Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are showing a presentation on yoga in daily life. Introduction to yoga. Yoga is a holistic practice that integrates the mind, body and spirit. By incorporating yoga into your daily routine, you can enhance mindfulness and promote overall wellness. This presentation will explore practical ways to make yoga a part of your everyday life. Benefits of daily yoga. Practicing yoga daily offers numerous benefits, including improved flexibility, increased strength, and enhanced mental clarity. It also helps reduce stress and promotes emotional stability, making it an essential component of your balanced lifestyle. Creating a yoga schedule. To integrate yoga into your routine, start by creating a schedule that suits your lifestyle. Aim for at least 15 to 30 minutes daily. Consistency is key, so find a time that works best for you, whether it's morning, midday, or evening. Morning yoga practices. Starting your day with morning yoga can invigorate your body and mind. Focus on gentle stretches and breathing exercises to awaken your senses, improve circulation, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Incorporative mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment. While practicing yoga, focus on your breath and body sensations. This practice enhances your awareness and help you cultivate a deeper connection between your mind and body. Yoga at work. Incorporating yoga into your workday can reduce stress and improve productivity. Simple stretches or a short meditation break can help you recharge, enhance focus, and maintain a healthier work life balance. Evening wind down. Use evening yoga as a way to unwind and prepare for sleep. Gentle poses and relaxation techniques can help reduce the day's tension, promoting a sense of calm and improving your overall sleep quality. Yoga and nutrition. Pairing yoga with a balanced diet enhances overall wellness. Focus on nutrient-rich foods that supports your energy level and recovery. Hydration is also crucial. So remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Finding community. Joining a yoga community can provide motivation and support. Consider attending classes or participating in online forums. Sharing experiences with others can deepen your practice and foster a sense of belongings. Overcoming challenges. Integrating yoga into your routine may come with challenges. It's important to stay patient and flexible. Listen to your body and remember that every small step counts towards your overall wellness journey. Tracking your progress. Keeping a journal can help you track your yoga practices and mindfulness journey. Note your feelings, progress, and any changes in your physical and mental state. This reflection can enhance your commitment and growth. Adopt yoga as a way of life. Integrating yoga into your daily routine is a powerful way to enhance your mindfulness and overall wellness. By committing to this practice, you can cultivate a healthier lifestyle and a more peaceful mind.